Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 35 of Form Guru series by MakeForms. I am Prateek, a founder of MakeForms, and today we are going to take a look at the thank you screen settings in MakeForms. So, in the last two episodes, we did take a detour from the form builder, and we saw how you can create multiple sources and also embed your form on your website. So now back to the builder and let's take a look at the thank you screen. So as you know, your form is divided into three tabs: the welcome screen, the form screen, and the thank you screen. So the thank you screen by default has a tick mark, which is an image field, and a text that says your submission has been successfully recorded. So if you want, you can keep this. Let's say I feel that there should be some kind of padding at top and bottom. So what you can do is you can take a spacer field and drag drop them wherever you want. And now if you want to change the height of the spacer, you would do that from the left hand side. Okay. So this is how you can actually customize your thank you screen. Now let's say what I want to do is that I want to show a video to everyone who has uh, kind of filled up my form. So what I can do is I can go into the YouTube and I can fetch the sharing URL. So let's go to the MakeForms YouTube channel and pick up our first video that we had from the Form Guru series. Let's say this one. I will
Pratik,
click on share, get this URL, copy it and paste it here. So we can have a video on our thank you screen. Similarly, if you want, you can add a CTA, and here I would say visit my YouTube channel. And you can also change the border radius. So let's say if I want to do it 30 pixels, I will do that, and then I will add the link to my channel, which is this. So this is how you can add stuff, and you can also add a calculated field. So let's say if you want to calculate something from your input fields in the form and you want to display them here, you can do that. And you can also add a divider, plus you can add an image, you can add paragraph text. So let's say here I'm saying thank you for booking a demo. Here is a short video explaining the Form Guru series. And then what you can do is you can always increase the line height. You can change the font size. You can also, let's say if I'm taking name, I would say thank you. Um, Let me go into the form and add a name field. And I would just write thank you, full name. So it will be thank you, whoever is filling the form for booking a demo. Here is a short video explaining the Form Guru series. Then what I will do is I also add a spacer here and I will reduce the height. So, like now we have a very customized thank you form for our user. We've already seen the quiz score in our last week's quiz episode. Then there is something called as chat completion. This is something very interesting, which we will see in a later stage. And payment status is something that comes in once we enable payments. So this is all the kind of customizations that you can do on your thank you page. But now let's say you do not want to show them a thank you page, but you want them to be redirected to an external URL. So what you will do that? In such a case, what you will do is you will turn off this thing and you will enter the URL. So let's say I want to send them to Google. And if you also want to add custom variables or your form variables, you can do that. So let's say I want to add name and I want to send this as a name. Then I also want to send the book type that they are using. So I would write book underscore type. And then I also want to add a custom variable. Let's say variable name would be mm, user underscore type, and this would be from underscore form, for example. And I will quickly republish this, and now we'll take a look at the redirection, how it happens and what does it show. I'll hard refresh this so the cache is cleared. So this is a new design that I had selected. I will quickly click on checkout. And now you can see it has redirected me to google.com. It will say take a name is equals to Pratik, book type is equals to paperback, and user type is equals to from underscore form. So this is all the brackets and everything that we had. So this is how you can actually redirect your users to a different thank you page, and you can use the form variables and your custom variables. So this is all about the thank you page customization and the thank you page redirection within MakeForms. So with this, I have successfully completed 5 weeks of Form Guru series, and I am more than excited for all the new kind of complex forms that we are going to create using MakeForms. So please encourage us on this journey of Form Guru series, and let us empower you to become the form master. As I always keep on saying, please like, share, subscribe, comment on these videos. Let me know what kind of forms are you looking for so I can in my future series create those forms for you. Again, super excited because I would be entering the 6th week of Form Guru series next week. So stay tuned. Wait for all this amazing form related content that I'm bringing for you. That's it for today. Signing off. Bye bye, everyone. Pratik here from MakeForms.